Are you new to the AWS CLI and feeling a bit lost? You're not alone. Today, we're going to simplify how to get a list of available instances in a specified region. Let's dive in. I totally understand how overwhelming it can be when you're just starting out with AWS. The command line can seem intimidating, especially when you need specific information like available instances. But don't worry, we've got this. Here's the question we're tackling today. One user asked how to get a list of available instances in a specified region using the AWS CLI. They want to limit the results to specific instance types. Sound familiar? Let's break it down. So what does this command actually do? The command allows you to query AWS for available instance types in a specific region, helping you make informed decisions about your resources. Let's get into the details. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can save you time when working with the AWS CLI. To begin, the user should open their command line interface and ensure that the AWS Command Line Interface is installed. This is essential for executing AWS commands. Next, the user needs to configure their AWS CLI with their credentials. This can be done by running the command AWS configure and entering the required information. Now the user can execute the command to describe available instances. They should replace the placeholder with the desired instance types or leave it blank to list all types. After running the command, the user will receive a list of available instances along with their counts. This output will help them understand the instance availability in the specified region. Fun fact, did you know that AWS has over 200 fully featured services? It's like a tech buffet, and the AWS CLI is your menu. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves filtering for running instances and sorting the results by region. They use a loop to go through each region, retrieving the instance types and counting them. This method provides a clear overview of available running instances across all regions. To streamline this process, the user added the command to their AWS alias file, allowing them to run it easily with a simple command. This saves time and effort for future use. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always check the AWS documentation for the latest commands and options. It can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. You now know how to get a list of available instances using the AWS CLI. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy cloud computing!